Your Scaramanga bag is built to last for years to come. All of our bags are made from a natural semi-vegetable tanned hunter leather, which means it's infused with natural oils and waxes. They each have a fantastic distressed look, and they're incredibly durable, and they will soften with use and age. If you do find that your Scaramanga bag gets completely drenched or gets submerged in water, don't put it on a radiator, just leave it in a warm room to dry out naturally. If you've got marks or nicks in the bag, I'll show you how you can remove them. So all you do is, if I create a scratch there, you see that scratch along there, all you do is to knead and massage the leather, roll it out between your thumb and your forefinger on both hands, like that. And then you can see the scratches disappear. The leather's light around that area, but what will happen is the leather and the oils that are in the leather will come back into that area there, and you'll find that it will turn to that natural color down there. For simple day-to-day maintenance, if you find that your leather bag is being used a lot and it is starting to fade, and you want to keep that original kind of darker leather look, then there's several things you can use. You can use waxes, and we recommend several. There's one here by FX, which is a leather balsam, and we've got one here which is called Celtic Leather Care. The FX comes in a tiny little tub like that, which only costs a couple of pounds. Or you can use vegetable oil, and we've got an olive oil here. The first thing to do is always do a little patch test. We always recommend on the bottom or on the back of the bag. So all you do, you just dab a little bit of oil on the cloth here. Don't put the oil directly onto the leather, and then just rub gently, and you can see it starting to darken along there. And then just leave it for a little while, and that will soak into the leather, and it will give it that kind of a look along there. Dab a little bit onto a sponge, and then just rub it there. So it's got the same effect as the oil there, and all that's done is to condition the leather with extra waxes. That will lighten after time, and it will go back to this original color here. But that's all you need to do. Perhaps maybe do it once a month if you're using the bag quite a lot.